Hi, thank you for tuning in to Too New For You, or so it seems. So I broke a needle and I wanted to show you how to change a needle on the Joann 200 HD heavy duty sewing machine. So what I'm going to do is show you how to change this needle. It's very easy. Let's get into it. So what I'm doing is taking the L-shaped screwdriver and I'm loosening the screw so that I can remove the needle. Now remember, left is to loosen. I'm just going to make sure that I discard it in a safe place. Trash can, of course. These are the needles that came with the machine, so I'm just going to be replacing it with one out of here. This is a size 14 of the Oregon needles. Very sturdy needles. So I'm just going to be taking the needle out. Now it has a flat side of the needle. Can you see? So anytime that you're changing the needle, you want to make sure when you're inserting the needle that you keep the flat side of the shaft right here to the back. That way when you insert it, so that way you don't have to try to fidget around with it. Now when you're putting the needle up, be sure that you push the needle into the clamp until it touches the pin and then it stops. And it just goes up, and then you go ahead and you tighten it. Make sure you can see it. You're going to turn it right to tight. Okay, and it's in there. Now, when you insert the needle, you want to make sure that it goes to the top of the notch. Here's a picture of what it looks like. Now, remember, replacing the needle should be done regularly, especially when it shows signs of any type of wear, tear for your needle. Now, look at these needles. These are not good needles. The needle should always be in perfect condition to sew. This is Too New For You. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.